Welcome to Princess Stories for Kids, a magical place where dreams come to life. Snuggle up and get ready for a beautiful bedtime journey. Tonight, we'll step into a world of love, friendship, and gentle wonder. Princesses Anastasija and Atina, and their faithful dog Maza, are waiting to share their adventure with you. Are you ready? Let the story begin.
The sun's rays peeked through the royal bedroom window. Anastasija stretched, smiled, and happily said, "Today is my birthday." Her sister Atina jumped out of bed and was the first to say, "Happy birthday, Anastasija." In the garden, everything was already being prepared. Mom Aneta and Dad Toma made sure everything was perfect. They set up the tables, arranged the presents, and colorful ribbons and balloons danced in the wind. The tables were full of decorations and shiny balloons. Maza barked excitedly and ran toward the edge of the forest. She knew the forest animals couldn't miss this special day. "It's birthday time," her bark seemed to say. At the center of the table stood a magical cake, tall and beautiful, with 7 layers, one for each of Anastasija's years. Each layer had a different color: pink, purple, gold, blue, green, orange, and silver. Sparkling decorations made the whole cake shine like stars. On the very top, a glowing pink number 7 sparkled like true magic. The sound of wheels on the gravel path announced the guests' arrival. Grandmas and grandpas, aunts and uncles, brothers and sisters, they all arrived in beautiful carriages. Each of them carried gifts wrapped in colorful paper with big bows. The family gave Anastasija warm hugs and loving wishes. She received a beautiful pearl crown, a Barbie doll, a dress that sparkled like the stars, and a big keyboard with glowing keys. Even little Atina got a baby toy phone. At the end, she was gifted a lovely painting made by her family. Anastasija's eyes sparkled with joy. Then, new guests arrived from the forest, the little woodland animals. The bunnies brought a bouquet of wildflowers, the squirrels brought a basket of nuts, the hedgehogs offered tiny pine cones with glittering stars, and the birds sang a joyful birthday song. The birthday party had begun. Anastasija and Atina performed sparkling magic with their wands, while Maza did funny tricks that made all the guests laugh. Then it was time for the song and the birthday wish. All the guests, people, and animals sang together. "This is a special day, special day, special day. It's our Anastasija's birthday. May she live, may she live, may she always be happy. May she live, may she live, may she always be happy. Happy birthday, dear Anastasija." Anastasija closed her eyes, made a wish, and blew out the candle. The party went on until sunset. The sky turned orange and twinkling lights lit up the garden. At the end of the evening, everyone stayed in the castle because it was so big and had many rooms to sleep in. In a room full of presents, Anastasija hugged her gifts and softly said, "This was the best birthday ever." Maza and Atina lay beside her, and the room was filled with dreams and happiness. And that was the end of Anastasija's magical 7th birthday, a day full of love, wonder, and fairy tale surprises.